Hi, this is Ryan Neal from the USA offices of Neal Saddlery and Harness, Cowboy Sewing Machines, and High-Tech Sewing Machines. Today we're going to do a video on our 7267P heavy-duty compound feed commercial sewing machine. The thing that makes the 7267P very, very unique is that it's a quad needle system, 4 separate needles, and it produces 2 side-by-side rows of double stitching. And it also has 4 needles, it has 4 hooks, and it also has 4 bobbins. And you can see here where we have 4 individual strands of thread that are going through the thread tensioning system. But also underneath this machine there are 4 hooks and 4 bobbins. So it's capable of laying down 2 separate rows of spaced stitching, which makes it very, very unique. There's virtually no other sewing machines like this in the market today. This machine is used predominantly for doing parachute sewing, where you're sewing together different panels to produce parachutes. It's also somewhat used in the upholstery industries as well, but a very, very unique machine built to excel at sewing parachutes. There's also a puller attachment that will come back here when you're using the machine for sewing parachutes. There'll be a separate puller system that mounts back here, which will provide some additional traction to allow parachute material, multiple layers of parachute material, to be fed through the machine. The machine has an integrated bobbin winder assembly. It has a fully functional reverse mechanism with adjustable stitch lengths. It also has an integrated motor system, direct drive motor system with plenty of adjustable parameters on it as well. So all told, a very, very well built machine, very specifically built for sewing parachutes, as well as some upholstery applications as well. So we're going to do a quick demo on the machine so you can see how the machine performs. We're sewing through a couple layers of 3-ounce leather here. So I'm going to go ahead and start off. I'm going to go slow so you guys can see the mechanism on the machine and how it operates. And you can see how we're producing 2 rows of side-by-side parallel stitching. So you can see that the machine does a very good job as far as the spacing of the stitching. It looks very, very good, 2 side-by-side rows. So the machine is also what we would classify as a compound feed walking foot sewing machine, but with a quad needle system. So again, 4 needles, 4 hooks, 4 bobbins. So if you have any additional questions about the 7267P, please feel free to give me a call directly. My name is Ryan Neal from the USA offices of Neal Saddlery and Harness, Cowboy Sewing Machines, and High-Tech Sewing Machines. You can reach me at area code 330-692-1418, and I do thank you for your time today.